the 2D shapes and find them everywhere. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. It is like a watermelon slice. It is like a hat. It is like an ice cream cone. This is the square. It has 4 sides. They are all the same. It is like a present. It is like a cracker. It is like a window. This is the circle. It rolls around and around. It is like a ball. It is like the sun. It is like an orange. This is the rectangle. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal and parallel. It is like a book. It is like a door. It is like a building. This is the pentagon. It has 5 sides. It is like a house. It is like a circus tent. It is like a carousel. This is the hexagon. It has 6 sides. It is like a honeycomb. It is like a snowflake. It is like a nut. Now look around. What shapes can you find? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.